For last, if you have a multiplication both alphabets, so you will write log am plus log an. In multiplication, you will write plus in middle. If you have a division, then you will write log am minus log an. If you have power, then you can write power and start n log a. If you have in this form, so you will write log bn cross log a b. This is a question. We will write log 3. There is multiplication. We will write plus log 4. This is division. We will write log 5 and minus log 4. The power you can write and start. So you will write power and start 2 log 5.